I'm Hassa with WTI, and I went on a checkup not long ago, finding out I needed to wear compression socks. And that's why I got these compression socks from CHARMKING, which are great for both women and men. They're also great for me to go running or cycling, but I mostly use them when I'm gonna be standing or sitting for a long time. And I feel like these have relieved me a lot and they have helped. They're not too tight, but they're just tight enough to work for me. And they have definitely improved my performance when doing sports. I get a faster recovery. It's really soothing for my feet and legs. And also great for when I am going on a long trip to another country, for example, and I have to be sitting a long time. So these are great for that. In my case, I wear them very often, and I got these ones in the size SM. I don't mind showing them off, so I would wear them with dresses, and I don't struggle putting them on at all. And there are tons of colors to choose from, but I chose black because I think it goes with everything. They're nice looking. They're made of a great breathable material. It's not thin, it's just thick enough. And the top elastics are not too tight, so they don't leave marks on my legs. So if you love doing sports and you're constantly doing that, if you're a teacher like me, person who has to stand a lot during the day, I think these ones can help you. They're pretty comfortable to wear and made of a great material. And yeah, that's my point of view.